Hello friends, tinnitus, this is not a dangerous thing. It is a natural thing. But at start, your brain may not realize it and it may be unable to control it. But our brain has a nice cancellation system and it can filter out and cancel out any noise generated external in the environment or generated inside your head. Our brain is trained to cancel out the noises which are produced in our environment. Like here is a sound of transit mixture, concrete mixture sound is coming. You may listen generator noise, you may listen rain noise, or you may listen the car engine sound. At start, you may feel this sound and your brain will tell you that here is a noise. The noise is started. So you may pay attention to it. But after 1 or 2 minutes, you will not pay attention to it. You may be habituated to it. And your brain will start to realize that this sound is no more important for you. So your brain will start to filter it out and it will cancel the sound. The sound may be there, but you may not be able to listen it because you don't give it any importance. So your brain will stop the perception of sound and you will forget the sound. Although you may travel in the car for 1 hour, for 2 hours, but you will not listen it until you again pay attention to it. The same applies to every noise, like rain sound, like traffic noise, like construction sounds, everything our brain can filter out. But when you are becoming a victim of tinnitus, it is a little bit difficult for your brain to understand because you are full of stress, you are full of anxiety. You may not able to understand what the hell is happening with you. So you may feel fear, anxiety, tension, depression, and your brain is unable to cope with the enormous amount of stress which is generated by this tinnitus. So you may have to calm down first. You have to control your stress and anxiety level. You may think this is not a dangerous thing. This is just a natural sound like any other sound. It is not harming you. Once you realize this and your stress level goes down, then you have to start your habituation or brain training method, which I call brain training. Some people may call it habituation, some people may call it tinnitus retraining therapy. So you have to ignore the sound completely because it's not important for you. When you will try to ignore it for few hours daily, and how will you do it? You should change your attention from tinnitus to any other thing. Now, this is not a difficult thing. You may think that changing focus is difficult, but remember, this is not a difficult thing. Keeping a focus on a activity is difficult. For example, if you study, if you are driving, you have to keep focus on it. You are studying a difficult topic, then you have to keep focus on that. It is a difficult. Keeping focus is difficult for a brain, but diverting attention and ignoring something is very easy for a brain. Our brain is trained for this type of thing. So you can use internet, Facebook, you can watch movies, you can create some new hobbies, you can learn something new, you can plant a tree you can construct something, you can select any hobbies. You have to busy yourself. You have to try to busy yourself. When you will become busy, your brain will change your focus, and your brain you will not paying attention to the tinnitus sound, and you are ignoring it completely. Then your brain will understand that it is not important sound for you. It will start to filter out the tinnitus sound. So if you think it is difficult for you to ignore the sound, but you have to try it for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours daily at least, and then you have to increase the duration. Now you will become habituated, and your brain will start filtering it out. The sound will goes down, the volume will goes down, and it will be more easy for you to ignore it. In this way, there will be a time that you will forget your tinnitus for the whole days. You will not remember it all the day, and even you may not remember at night. So try this method, and this is very helpful and effective way. It is a problem within the head, so the solution should become within the head. This is the main motive of this thing. So kindly try it and share it with other friends, and subscribe our channel for the next videos regarding brain training and habituation method. Thank you very much.